If you're like me, you prefer the look and aroma of a live Christmas tree, but you know how quickly they can dry out. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a simple way to keep your tree watered right after this. Got any tools on your Christmas list? You're in luck this year. Today's homeowner has teamed up with Woodcraft to provide one lucky winner $1,000 worth of tools and woodworking supplies. Now through December 15th, enter the Tools Under My Tree giveaway at todayshomeowner.com/giveaway to win a $1,000 Woodcraft gift card. Again, it's very easy to enter. Just log on to todayshomeowner.com/giveaway. If you have a live Christmas tree, you already know how important it is to keep it watered regularly. Nothing can spoil the Christmas mood as much as a dry tree that sheds its needles every day by the pound. To keep from having to stoop down and pour water into a tree stand every week and risk spilling it all over the floor, try this. Attach a small section of garden hose to a funnel. Make sure the diameter of the funnel spout will fit snugly into the hose. Feed the hose up the trunk line and place the funnel just outside the branches of the tree, about 3 feet off the floor. Now when it's time for watering, simply pour the water into the funnel. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.